Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying Excel is the desktop app and you have permission to change add-ins. Once confirmed, open File, choose Options, then Add-ins. This is where Excel hides extra features. From the Manage box, select Excel Add-ins and click Go. Now check Analysis Tool Pack and press OK. You've just activated the data analysis capability. After enabling, make sure to restart Excel if the Analysis or Data Analysis button does not appear on the Data tab. You will now run your first procedure using the Data Analysis dialog on the Data tab. Once you click Data Analysis, pick the correct tool. For summaries, pick Descriptive Statistics. For relationships, choose Regression, and so on. Make sure you set the input range accurately and tick labels if your selection includes headers. Choose the output range or a new worksheet, and set options like confidence level or residuals when relevant. After adjusting settings, click OK to execute and generate results. You finish by reviewing the output tables immediately. Look for p-values, coefficients, r-squared, means, and standard deviations to interpret findings. Once done, annotate cells with conclusions and create a template sheet or a macro if you'll repeat the steps. This saves time later. Make sure to save the workbook. If data analysis never appeared, check COM add-ins and install Analysis Tool Pack VBA or rerun the Office installer to add the feature. That one troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.